How to log in Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the end. What you have to do is first just make sure you either download or update the Spotify app to the latest version, and you can do this by launching your respective app store in a search box, typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Spotify app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up, and you will see this kind of interface. Now you can log in with your Facebook account, your Google account, or any of the other accounts that you have. If you don't have an account, then you can tap on sign up button to create a Spotify account. But to log into your existing account, tap on the login button. Enter your email address and the password that you want to use to log in, and if you forgot your password, you could tap on login without password as well. But for now, I'll just go ahead and then enter my email address. Once you enter your email username or your password, tap on the login button over here, and as you tap on the login button, if your details are correct, you will successfully be able to log into your Spotify account. That's all it takes to log into Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.